Hi, in this video we will see how we can export only audio and export as MP3 or some other high definition audio format from any video file using Final Cut Pro X. At first open Final Cut Pro X and load the video file and then choose the Final Cut menu, and once you click there it will pop up the menus. From here choose the preferences. Once you select the preferences, this type of preferences window will be appeared. Now go to the last element from this destination. It is called add destination. Once you click here, then right side you will find this type of option, and one of the option is export file. Just double click on top of the export file and the export file will be appeared on the left side with the right side different options. So before going to start anything, just rename this thing. I am making a simple name like audio export. Just rename it as you like. In the right side, you will find audio export window like thing, and one of the first option is format, where it is showing video and audio. We are interested only audio, so just click here. Under the format, it will pop up this type of menu and choose audio only from there. Now time to choose the audio format option. There are varieties of audio format option. Just click on top of the audio format drop down and a pop-up menu will be appeared, and from here we will see different options. Some of the options are MP3, AIFF and so on. MP3 is the very common options, and AIFF, this is very high quality audio option. I'm going to choose this option, and after that now we have to uncheck this option, include chapter markers. The last option, action, you can leave. That means you don't need to change, and then close this thing. Once all the preferences options are changed successfully, it's time to check whether it will work or not. So let's try it. I'm going to click the top right corner, share the project, this icon, and then it will pop up this thing, and here we are seeing the audio export option is there. Just click over there and it will prompt us this type of menu. Here we can put our file name, suppose my audio. Okay, and then if we go to the settings, we'll see that it is showing that format audio only. Now just leave it. We don't need to check roles. Just go to info and then click on next, and it will ask which location I want to save the file. Just put the location and then click on save, and it will start saving. And that's all guys. In this way we can easily put audio only from Final Cut Pro X, and the audio format we can save like WAV file or MP3 or AIF or some other options. Thank you for watching the video. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the like button of the video.